Let's talk about 3 cuts perfect for sliced barbecue beef: the sirloin ball tip, bottom round flat, and sirloin tri-tip. The sirloin ball tip has many advantages. It's tender and juicy, cooks quickly, and has a high yield.
It's a great addition to anybody's menu. Look at that. Look at that smoke ring. That is incredible. So as you can see, it's extremely moist, great beef flavor. It holds the smoke phenomenally.
The bottom round flat cooks faster and produces more portions than brisket. It's an excellent value and has a robust, beefy flavor.
For smoked beef, you can't ask for anything better. That beefy flavor, this is going to make a fantastic sandwich.
For exceptional flavor and tenderness, consider the sirloin tri-tip. This versatile cut cooks quickly and has an impressive yield of over 90%.
What I love about the smoked tri-tip is, look at how moist this steak is inside. It's so tender. Look at how that is glistening as I'm slicing it. That is a fantastic piece of steak right there.
To learn more about the ball tip, bottom round flat, and tri-tip, download the guides and reach out to your sales rep.